Hi, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be melting down old baits that we found while we were fishing at the creek. Here, I'll show y'all. I don't know if you can see these.
We got some power baits, some old zooms. They're called centipedes, and we got old tubes, and we got some old lizards.
I don't know if you can see that because I'm using GoPro and I don't know what I'm pointing at. But first, we're gonna be using the old. We're gonna melt down the old red lizards. So we're gonna start melting down process, and I'll start the camera back up and we start doing that. All right, so we tore them all apart, and now we're putting them in the microwave for how long, I think? About 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So we'll start back up when it's done. All right. Next batch. All right, next batch.
Yeah, we gotta. Let's shoot this.
It's much done. It's like 3:30, 3:38.
Smells like absolute death.
Hopefully we can get at least one batch out of this whole thing, but I can try pouring. I don't know if I can see that, but
There you go, pour it.
I don't know if I can get this off in time, but there's definitely going to be bubbles in this because we didn't have enough, but
We might have got one.
we can at least get one.
Put it into the middle of the thing.
Alright, we got 2 out of these. There's an air bubble in these, though, but, or one of them.
That's what they look like. They look really good. I like them. I would use it.
Red and black, and we still got all these colors left. Tubes.
Which one you on to next?
I say I say those because there's a most of those, and we're gonna rip them up and then throw them in there. So.
Let's go show my dad.
All right, we throw these up, and now we're going.
These.
2 minutes, and we'll be back in 2 minutes. All right, we're mixing it right now. I into like the first part of the microwave, but hopefully we should get a batch out of this one.
Oh yeah. I got it.
Yeah. We can get a batch of this one, but last one we got 2, so. They're done. Sure nice or not, so. Oh, there.
They look good. I don't feel any air bubbles. I feel good.
Goes through sink. Perfect batch.
You might be able to use another one.
I'll show you all close real quick. It's a nice color. Alright, we were mixing the ones we just made, the green and black with the, I guess the watermelon flake. I guess, I don't know. We're gonna melt them, so see how they turn out. I bet it's right about
A bunch of bubbles on it.
ready. Yeah, it's like 340 right now. Ooh, it smells horrible. Yeah, it's high, so if I drop it, it doesn't go right into the, like I almost just did.
That would.
I don't know. I ain't got the case on it either.
Hey!
Hey, boy.
What are you barking at?
What you want?
That thing is good now. God, this thing is hot.
That was kind of weird. we're adding blue into there just because like we're just trying it, see what it looks like. I'm not sure what it has, but it doesn't really look like a bad color. I don't know, but and we gotta put it in there for like another like 30 seconds to get it heated. Get it a little more heated up. Cause it is like 350, 330, somewhere around that area.
Who made this color?
I like it.
We only got 3 of them, but you know it's fine.
Look at this, boy. You smart, boy.
I can kind of see the blue in there.
You can see it.
Alright, I didn't film the whole thing, but oh god. We didn't have literally anything in these because there was like literally none.
We might have gotten
We
one.
got one out of that whole pack. And another air bubble. Well, that was a fail. Oh, yo, it's a couple hours after. It's actually a long time after. And that's the end of the video. And hope y'all like these kind of videos. And make sure y'all subscribe and like. And go and check our TikTok and our Instagram out. And if y'all need any kind of ideas on what we can do, like bait wise or fishing wise, it doesn't matter. Just leave it down in the comments below, and I'll see y'all in the next one.